Hi, this is Domino. Welcome to our very first studio vlog. To schedule our content calendar, we use Notion. We usually post our video on YouTube every week on Tuesday, so that's the date I'm scheduling the video to be finished. Once I am done filming, editing, and uploading, I will drag it to the published column. We use Cricut Maker 3 to design and create our letter care tag for product packaging. One of the reasons I like to use Cricut Maker is the design space. It is a very user-friendly app compatible with different systems. You can upload additional images on the canvas. You can also use the ready-made templates, shapes, and images with the design space. After I center and attach the shape and the text, I duplicate the design to an amount that will fit the size of my cardboard. Now that the design is ready, we can connect to Cricut Maker 3. I have already bookmarked some material settings. Once I select the setting, Cricut Maker will instruct what kind of tools and how much pressure is needed to make and cut out the design. For today's project, I need to load a black 4mm pen and a fine point blade in the clamps. Tombow Fudennosuke brush pen fits perfectly in the clamp for a pen. The fine point blade comes with the Cricut Maker 3. To cut letter though, you will need to get the deep point blade. I'll include the links in our description box below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It will mean a great deal to our small business. In our next video, I'll show you how to make a minimalist leather tote bag. Wish you and your loved one a great day.